Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kaylee. Today we are going to be getting next month ready in my planner with my bills that are coming out, and then maybe doing this week's dates or calendar stuff, but we'll see how it goes. I do have some here that I want to use, some of these boxes, stickers that we can use for this. So yeah, let's just get into it. So first off, we're gonna do is, so I have my January one here. This is my subscriptions of what comes out every month, my main ones, and I don't have any annual ones at the moment, so I won't have to worry about those. But yeah, this is what I have so far. Actually, these ones, they come out, and then this one come out tomorrow, and then they'll be good for the rest of the week. So yeah, so let's get into it. So I'm gonna go to February real quick, and we're gonna do the calendars for this. So I'm gonna take this out to make it a little bit easier. Okay, so let me get into my sticker book here. It is falling apart. I have another one that's the exact same, but it's still intact, so I'll use that for sure. Actually, I think most of mine that I use are in here. Yes. Okay, so these pay bills on stuff. So what I'm gonna do is, I have a lot of pinks and dark reds, so, and some light pinks there. So I think that's what I'm going to do for this month, is do some pinks. So what I have for the first bit of the month is, I have rent on the 1st, and then I have Gmail on the 7th. So those are the only two I have. So I'm going to do the light pink here. Let me get my tweezers. So then the 1st, obviously, is a Sunday. I'll probably get paid the Friday before. Yeah, I don't know. Oop. I did not like how I put that down. I don't know about you guys. I live here in Arkansas, and we got a bunch of snow. So I haven't worked. I didn't work yesterday. I may or may not work tomorrow. Depends on if we're closed or not. So yeah, so that's still in question. Okay. So that one's for rent, and then the 7th for Gmail. And I write how much they are so that I know. So there's that one, and then rent. Perfect. Alright, so those ones are done. So we'll move on to the middle, the next paycheck. Oh, hold on. I want to do my little paycheck dudes. So, what did I do last time? I think last time I did, January. Okay, yeah. Last time I did these little dollar signs, which I do like, but they don't really come in pink. So I'm actually gonna do these little piggies for the payday ones. So I'm actually gonna start at the top. Alright. And I only need 2. I only get paid twice a month. So I need one for the 1st, and then one for the 15th. Both on Sunday, so I will definitely get paid the Fridays before. Okay, so that's one payday. I don't have anything that second week. That's kind of nice. Okay, and then we're gonna do my next paycheck one. One of these light pinks. And the next one I have, let's see, a progressive on the 22nd. Wait, hold on. A car payment on the 15th. Yes, that is correct. So let me write this in real quick. Do you see this? Maybe. There we go. It's 300. And then, let's see, water on the 16th. Which is President's Day. I think I have a President's Day sticker. Do that in a second as well. Water is 72. Yes. Okay. So that's done, that's done. Then we have Progressive on the 22nd, which is my car insurance. As you can tell, I have a lot coming out the end of the month, or in like my second paycheck. 22nd is Progressive. And then Amazon on the 26th. So obviously you can tell I'm gonna run out of these pink ones. Which is fine because then I'll just do another color similar and I'll know that they're the same. Okay, let's see. Amazon is 26. Which is gone down to $7.49. It used to be $8.05, so I'm actually kind of happy that that one's less now. And then I think I have two more. I have iCloud on the 25th. So we'll just do these two pinks, which were supposed to be for this one, but it's okay. I'll know for this paycheck. Okay. Which 25th is iCloud, which is $2.99. Pretty cheap. And then the other one that I have is Visible, which is my phone bill, and that one is on the 29th, which of course is not on this, but I'll still put it here because I know, so that way I know when it comes out. I guess if it's the whole week without that, I guess we do it to the other month, but that's okay. Okay, so that should be all my bills for the month. So I'm just going to double check real quick. Alright, yes, that is all my bills. So I can put that back to the side. So that's done. And then I can do some decorations on this. So let's see what I want to do real quick. Do I have any upcoming events? I don't think so. Not till March. I have that wedding. If you've watched my other videos, I have a wedding that I am a part of. I'm helping do some things for the wedding, and it's March 8th, so I'm super excited about that. So I gotta save up for that. Luckily it's only 5 hours away from where I live, so it's actually not far, and I probably won't spend a whole lot because I'm probably just gonna go up for the weekend. I do need a place to stay though. Okay. So those ones I don't need. What else do I have on here? Alright, I'll come back to this one. We go to this other book that I have that always has more stuff on it. Let's see. I don't have any meetings. I do have some sports league stuff coming up. So I have game day, which we're actually gonna do this one. So Wednesdays are my game days. So I think this is volleyball, but I'm gonna double check before I read anything on that one. This one. There. And I'll just have fun with this and do every other one with the colors. This one here, and then I won't worry about this one because it'll just be in March's. Yeah, it should be fine. Okay, so I got those ones in. Let's see what else I can do for these events. Okay, I am going to do a no spend challenge just because I'm trying to save up money. So I'm just going to put this. I was thinking of doing it up here, but I might do it like down here. Yeah, I think that's what I'll do. So I'll do it down here. There we go. No spend challenge. Okay, and then I do my budgets. So let's see. So I do the planning the day before. So that's what I'll do. How did I do this in the last one? I didn't really do a whole lot, so I'll just do this here. I'll do my budget planning on that Friday before I get paid. So that one, and then of course I don't have the one for for this week. So I'm just actually just gonna put to the side here. Yeah, it'll be fine. Okay. What else? Oh yeah, I do think I have the President's Day on here. So find that real quick. Yep, there it is, President's Day. Perfect. So I'm just going to cover up the bottom one with that one. There we go. I'm trying to think. Ooh, Super Bowl. Super Bowl, I believe, is on February 3rd. I could be wrong, but I'm pretty sure that's when it is. So I'm going to put Super Bowl on here because I'm definitely going to be cheering on for the Seahawks. My team is the Rams, and they lost. I think it was rigged, but that's my opinion. I was pretty upset about that. I was really hoping for them to make it to the Super Bowl, but you know, things happen. So I'm just hoping the Patriots lose. That's who I'm going for, is the Seahawks. Yeah. Let's see. I'm trying to figure out what else to put on this. Let me look at my other one. I did it for last month. So I guess this month. I did some like little doodads here. Which you don't entirely have to do. Put this back. Okay. In there, and I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna wait on and see if I need to do anything else on this one, and I'm gonna move on to doing one of these for this week. So this week is not that week, it's this week. Okay. So I need this, I'm gonna put this back in February. Did I do that wrong? Oh no, I didn't. Okay. Did I? Oh yeah, because I took those out. Man, I was so confused. I was confusing myself with what was going on. I figured it out. Okay, so put this to the side. I'm gonna grab out. I totally just made this. Oh. So I'm grabbing out my sticker book. I'm going to use this, and then, I do need my planner stickers. And I do like how those ones look. So these are my planner stickers. So I need this one and this one, yep. This is what it looks like for these ones. Super cute. They're like periwinkle style is what it looks like to me. It's like gradient pastel of blue, green, purple, pink, just super pretty. So I'm gonna use that towards this. So I'm gonna do these ones first, and then I'll add the rest later. Okay, so obviously we had a snow day yesterday. So these almost look like snowflakes. Where's the camera? There it is. These almost look like snowflakes. I could pass this off as snowflakes, which I might do because it's just super pretty. Okay. So I'm gonna do these are more for like the calendar based side of it. But they're like super big. I think they're too big for the calendar, honestly. Yeah. pretty big. So I won't do that for that. Just trying to think of what I want to do with this. Oh, this got pushed. Oh, that's what was wrong. Okay. I figured out now. My bad, guys. Okay, so I'm just gonna do this blank one here. So I get the colors of it. I'm gonna put it on for, I'm gonna put it right here. I'm gonna put it on this side, right here. Yeah, that's pretty. Okay, so I do that. I'm gonna do this. Do that. Yeah, do something like that. So I'm gonna put here snow day. And then I'm just gonna jot down everything I did for today, and assuming I have tomorrow off, I'll do that one too. So yeah, that would work for me. And then, like I said, there's not a whole lot going on this week, just because it is the end of January. I might just have to like save these cute ones for later, but for now. Oh, that's cute. I like that. Actually, I'm gonna put one of these, this more purple one. I'm gonna do it right here. I'm gonna do this green book art. Kind of sideways. You can't really tell on that one. It's alright. Maybe I'll do the star. Just because it's something I need to remind myself. It's kind of tacky. That's okay. And I'm gonna write 2, 2 right there. Alright, what else can I put on these? I haven't given anything to this side. Yeah, I honestly don't think anything's going on this week and weekend. I don't have any plans. Which usually I always have plans on the weekend. So this is just kind of new for me. I'm kind of used to that. Sometimes I just don't know what to do with my weekends if there's nothing planned. Like, I'll do like a house cleaning and that kind of stuff. Just keep on, stay on top of it. But, yeah. Okay, I'm going to go into my little sticker book here. And I'm going to put this one on here. You're exactly where you need to be. I went through a trial this month. And so I'm just going to put this right here. And thankfully I was able to get, I'm working through this trial. And so it's taken a lot of guidance that I needed to get through this. And so I love this quote because it'll help remind me that there's nowhere else I should be at the moment. This is where I need to be. Okay. And I'm always gonna do this little cute frappuccino thing. More like a milkshake, I guess. And I'm gonna put this right here, just to kind of like decorate this a little bit. So that's on this one. I'm gonna do this mask just because it makes me feel like I need to remind myself to sleep, just because I'm having a lot of late nights lately, and this will help. I'm gonna put it here. That's cute. Okay. Anything else I want to pull from this one? Probably not. Let's see. What else? Do some like diamonds on an arrow. I don't want to do this kitty cat. Took me a little bit to get off, and I'm honestly gonna put it down here. It looks like, I don't know, it kind of looks like a diamond. This one, like a diamond or a flower. And so I'm gonna use this as well. I'm gonna kind of put it here. There we go. Just trying to like decorate this a bit. I'm gonna do this glow girl. Because some of these I just need motivators to help. Ooh, that's a toughie. Okay, glow girl is gonna go down here. I'm doing this corner. There we go. And then I'm going to do this blue diamond. As you can tell, I kind of have a theme, pink and blue on this one. And diamonds, or crystals. They're crystals, they're not diamonds. Crystals, I want to put here. There we go. I guess I could do some of these clouds, you know, snowy. Yeah, it kind of juices it up a bit. It's cute. I'll put this one on Sunday. Okay, yeah, that'll work. Under this kind people are my people little banner here, and I'm gonna put it trying to see. I'm gonna put it up there here. I don't feel like I have enough on this page. There we go. Yeah, I like that. Oh, so this is what I have so far. I'm gonna move this to the side, and hopefully you can see it all. And I just moved my. Hey, that doesn't really help. Ugh. That's kind of what I got. Kind of hard to see, but it's honestly like simple and cute. Definitely a pink and blue theme going on for this one. Yeah, I think that's probably what I'll just do for this week, just because I really don't have anything planned. I'm just kind of going day by day. Like it's snowing. I probably won't do a whole bunch of my second job, which is door dashing, because of the snow. Like I don't even really want to travel in the snow if I go to work tomorrow. Thankfully my dad said he would drop me off, so that's really kind of him, because I totally just dropped my clock. I am not doing so hot today. Okay. There we go. Anyway, my dad is gonna drive me because I don't trust myself driving. The last time I drove in snow and ice, I got in a car accident, and so I really just don't want that to happen again. It really scares me to this day. So if I can avoid it, I will avoid it. And besides, my boss is older, so I don't think he'll want to drive in it either. So anyway, yeah, it's pretty simple, but it's actually really cute. I like how it turned out, and still enough space for me to fill things out. If I want to, I can add stuff later to it. So that's that. Let me put my other stickers back here. I'll definitely use more of these next month. I have a lot more going on next month. So just with it being the end of the month, I just don't have a lot planned. And I'm kind of repeating myself, but I'm sorry about that. Let's go back in there. Perfect. Okay. So yeah, that's my decorating my planner and getting my planner set up for next month video. If you liked this, if you enjoyed this video, please like, and if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. The subscribers and the views definitely help my channel grow more. I'm still kind of newer to this, so I'm still slow. I'm still at the beginning for the subscribers and the views, but definitely like the video and subscribe if you haven't already, so you can see the next one when it comes out, probably the end of the week. Like I said, I will get paid this week. So yeah, thank you and have a great day.